Muthia bururi wa Kenya no uthie na mbere na mubango wa gutuma maabitha borithi bururi-ini wa Haiti thutha wa mabũrũri maya merĩ gwikiranira ngirimiti iria ciagĩrĩire mbere ya gukinyaniria mubango uyu. Toria igoti inene bururi-ini riathanire hindi iria riatianirie mubango uyu ni gukorwo tatabanĩtio na njĩra ya kiwatho.
President William Ruto has accepted to come to Haiti and we thank him for that.
Le Kenya sera un pays leader.
The Kenyan Republic will have the leadership.
Mais il y aura au moins 15 autres nations qui ont accepté aussi de venir aider Haïti sous le leadership du Kenya.
Beside Kenya, there are about 15 nations that will come help under the leadership of Kenya.
Ngirimiti ino ikiraniirwo gatagati ka President William Ruto na Prime Minister wa Haiti ARIEL uri guku bururi-ini. Riu ukihingura mweke wa gutumwo kwa maabitha Kenya guthie kung'ethanira na ikundi cia wikinaĩ iria ikoretwo ithararĩtie thayũ bururi-ini wa Haiti.
There are some regions in this country,
en particulier au niveau de la capitale,
particularly in the capital area,
où le gouvernement n'a pas accès à la population.
Where the government has no access to the population.
Prime Minister ARIEL uri arekinyirie guku bururi-ini muthenya wa ira erekeire nginya University wa UCIO kuria arekereirie ndumiriri hindi ya kigomano kia RUTO wa thukuru uyu.
Security situation has become worse.
La police n'a pas été capable de contrôler la situation.
Our police department was not able to stabilize the country.
Qui continue à s'aggraver jour après jour.
And that become worse and worse day after day.
Nous avons essayé plusieurs types de solutions.
We tried many types of solutions.
Prime Minister hamwe na Minister wa Maĩ Zakarĩ na mwandĩki mũkaru wa maũndũ ma nanja wa bũrũri Korir Sing'oei ni atarĩirie moritũ marĩa Haiti ĩkoretwo ĩkĩgerera kuma kũgũragwo kũrĩa warĩ president wa bũrũri ũcio Jovenel Moise arĩkĩo gĩtũmi kĩa kũhoya ũteithio wa kũgeria gũcokia thayũ bũrũri-inĩ ũcio.
We need an international cooperation to have peace in Haiti.
Pour avoir la paix non seulement du point de vue physique,
we need that peace on the physical side,
mais pour avoir la paix pour permettre le développement économique de ce pays.
And also to have economic development of that country.
Thutha wa gwikinyia bũrũri-inĩ muthenya wa ira, Prime Minister Henry aratabanirie mĩario na President William Ruto nĩguo kũgeria gwetha njĩra cia gũkinyanĩria mũbango ũyũ ũrĩa Kenya ĩranĩire gũtũma mũigana wa maabitha 1,000 borithi nĩguo kũng'ethanĩra na ikundi icio. Ũndũ ũrĩa wĩhĩrĩirie ndũgamano na ikundi cia wĩkinaĩ iria ihinyĩrĩirie bata wa gũtabanio gwa ithurano ica-inĩ ikuhĩ gũkũ irokire kwanĩrĩra kũgarũra thirikari ya Henry nĩ gũkorwo atathurirwo nĩ mũndũ o wothe.
And because of the violence, we cannot go to election. And one of the things that we aim is to have elections as soon as possible. Because we need election in order to stabilize the country. We need a democratic governance in order to have people to come to invest in Haiti, because we need investors. So to say that we are going to come back to normally elected people, it's a plus.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunyama.